This video primarily teaches us how to input data for the interactive ring and use presentation software. Step 1. Recording interactive ring data. Place the token data software package in the same folder as Token Circle. We need to input the data of this interactive ring into the presentation software. Locate the token data folder. Open the token data tool software. Select Training Ring Token to enter. Find the interactive ring number you want to train and its corresponding color. For example, number 1, the red interactive ring. Place only the red interactive ring on the screen. Slightly rotate and move it slowly until the progress bar is complete, indicating that the data for the red interactive ring has been read. Select number 2, the yellow interactive ring, and repeat the same process. Select number 4, the blue interactive ring, and repeat the same process. After recording, click Complete. The token data software will automatically copy the config size XML data to the Token Circle presentation software folder. The directory of all the software configuration files that have been changed will be displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen. If there are no issues, you can click the Exit button to close the software. Note, if you are developing your own software, please manually place the config size XML file in the Resources directory under your software package directory after using the Token Data Tool program. Step 2. Using the Token Circle Interactive Ring Standard Presentation Software. Open Token Circle. Red Interactive Ring. Zoom function. Place it wherever you want to magnify the area for viewing details. Yellow Interactive Ring. Video Playback function. When the ring is placed in a specific position, the video will automatically play. Removing it restores the original state. The interactive ring needs to be placed to reveal the function. Blue interactive ring. Hotspot display function. When the interactive ring is placed in the blue hotspot area, images or sequence frames are displayed. Press the ESC key on the keyboard to exit the program. Step 3. How to replace materials. Find the Resources folder. Background image. BGBG, PNG, the default startup image. To replace, use an image with the same name. Darker background mask, BGBG mask, PNG. The image must be named BMask, PNG. Is a semi-transparent black image that controls the brightness of the startup image. Higher transparency makes it brighter. Background video, MP4. Replace it with a file of the same name. This background video plays when a token is placed on it. The hotspot folder is where the materials for the blue interactive ring's hotspots are stored. Each hotspot corresponds to a folder. Hotspots support videos, PNG images, and PNG sequence frame animations. For more detailed instructions on replacing materials, please refer to the manual.